Hey everyone, in today's hug, we're going to talk about Chinese chicken salad. All right, continuing our theme, I have another recipe from this cookbook that I wrote, The Ketogenic Table, and it is Chinese chicken salad. This recipe is so good. I used to be the girl that every time I'd go to any restaurant, I always wanted to try their Chinese chicken salad. But after having this one, none of them top it. We have a restaurant here in our town that's like just a private little restaurant, and they have something very similar to this. So I tried to find something to mimic it so I can make it at home because it is delicious. All right, so you ready to hear what it is? Take down your pen. Or actually, maybe I'll give you guys a PDF of this one so that you can print it too. So the first thing you're going to do is take a pound of chicken breast, and then you're going to hammer them with a meat tenderizer so they get thinner. All right. And then you're going to mix a 1/4 cup of coconut aminos, a 1/4 cup of oil, so like avocado oil, and a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. And let that chicken marinate and break down and tenderize for at least an hour. Then what you're going to do is prepare your dressing. And the dressing has a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, a tablespoon of minced ginger, a chipotle pepper, and you're going to find that in a can, okay? And it's like in the Mexican food section of your grocery store, and you'll see like peppers in adobo, a chipotle pepper in adobo. That's what you want, all right? So you're going to take one of those peppers, a tablespoon of coconut aminos, about 10 drops of liquid sweetener, so I like monk fruit, or you can use stevia, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, and 3/4 cups of olive oil. And blend it until it's really, really smooth, okay? That's your dressing. Stick it in the fridge and let it chill. Then what you're going to do is barbecue the chicken, okay? So you really want it to be nicely cooked on your barbecue. I can't tell you how to cook chicken on your barbecue, but on my barbecue, it's usually about 10 minutes on each side if you pound it thin, okay? It cooks faster if it's thinner. You just want to cook it on high, like about 425 or 450 if you have a barbecue that has a temperature control, okay? 10 and flip, and then do 10 on the other side. Now what you're going to do is take 16 ounces of Napa cabbage and chop it up nice and bite-sized chunks. A 1/4 cup of green onion, which is about 2 green onions. Some Persian cucumber, so say like 4 Persian cucumber, and get them, just diced. And a red bell pepper, diced. So take all the veggies, put them in a bowl, and toss them really well. After you cook the chicken, go ahead and chop it, okay, into bite-sized pieces, and then add the chicken, add the dressing, and toss everything really, really well. And then you're going to top that mixture with a 1/4 cup of peanuts and an avocado diced, okay? So you've got the veggies, the dressing, the chicken, and the toppings. And I am telling you, it is so good. It is the best salad ever. And I guess I'm going to have to make that now. It hasn't been salad season, and I like to have salads mostly in warm weather. But now that my mouth is watering, I guess I'm going to have to put this on my grocery list. Anyways, you guys are going to love it. All right, so let's lean in for a big, fat, juicy hug. Yes, veggies are good. I like them. And I hope you do too. Okay, make it a great day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.